Yeah, so CTCL, just like PTCL, it's a very dynamic space right now in terms of drug development. There's still a very high unmet need, particularly in advanced stage and in patients with Sézary syndrome. That's where certainly Mogamulizumab and the MAVORIC clinical trial has brought really kind of new information and new hope to the patients, because there was a very significant fraction of patients enrolled in the MAVORIC study that had advanced stage and Sézary syndrome. And activity in those patients were actually quite high, much higher than in the mycosis fungoides, and certainly the activity was significantly higher compared to the control, which was vorinostat. So I think that Moga is now approved by the FDA for treatment of patients with mycosis fungoides and Sézary syndrome, and patients are now being treated in offices and centers across the United States. There's a number of additional drugs that are in development, small molecule, combination with immunotherapy drugs, for example, kinase inhibitors across a broad spectrum of pathways that are being analyzed. So it's many of these trials are ongoing, they're accruing. We expect to see results in terms of efficacy and safety over the next few years. So I think it was a very, very exciting time to kind of look at developments in CTCL and PTCL.